Okay, sorry about that. I don't know what happened, but the system, my system just start to freeze, and as I talk, I would see the face just just freeze like that. Okay, so I am saying that I actually took my Central American white convicts from out of the pond, and I placed them inside in an aquarium. Yes, the aquarium is small for their mouth, but I placed them temporary. Okay, so and I placed the goldfish because it's been a while since I've actually had. Hey, brother. No, what happened is that um, the first stream, there was some lagging with it. So therefore, I just cut it off and I restart to actually I'll be here for a bit, man. I'll be here for a bit. Okay, so it's one live stream. Now, I as I said that um. So I put the goldfish in the pond with clean, nice water, and within a couple of days, I started to face the same thing that Aquafong faced with regards to green water. It has been really a hot summer. So I placed the goldfish in it, and goldfish actually consume algae. I mean, in a week, the goldfish actually laid eggs. So I took the plants with the eggs and the roots, and I actually placed it into an empty container with the hope that I would get at least 100 goldfish. Okay, cool. Now it so happens that uh, some of the plants had what you call snails on it. Hey, Fong, what's up? Nice to see you, brother. Right? I'm just talking about my week. Yeah, man. Pro team, and Fong. Brother. Yeah, man. So I'm just talking about my week. Um, so the plants in which I took out of the 250-gallon tote had some little bugs on it. Yeah, man, cool. No problem, brother. Go sleep. All right, cool. One up. Cool. So what happened is that the bugs actually, the bugs ate some of the eggs on the plant roots, and as a result, um, yes, protein. As a result, I never got as much goldfish. So I'm saying to myself, okay, I never got the goldfish that I wanted. I saw probably about 5 in the container, right? And when I was like doing regular maintenance this morning, and that's one of the reasons why I'm late. I saw one fry, then I saw two, then I saw three. It ended up I end up have about 22 fries in that big container. So what happened is that I was busy trying to use a spoon. I probably might have to go and watch Rob's video again about removal of fries with that thing, right? But I used my spoon and I got about 21 out. So I have about 21 tiny fries. And then now I did some videos, did some maintenance. So it was really a rough day. So question and answer. Throw a question at me. Go ahead, brother. What question that is? This is juice, not rum. Well, I know for sure that uh, goldfish consumes algae. So therefore, if you have goldfish, molly, swordtail, guppy, they love algae, right? Oh, I answered that. Yes. Koi and goldfish can go together and have a hybrid, right? Now, this hybrid, however, will be sterile. At least, according to research, they are sterile. I know that hyphen, livetail, swordtail, the male is sterile, but the female can reproduce. So to reproduce a hyphen livetail swordtail, you'd have to get a normal swordtail to go with the hyphen livetail female swordtail, right? Because the hyphen livetail male cannot reproduce. It's sterile because it's a hybrid, right? Okay. What do they like? Oh, what they do? Oh, these fish they're very large like a koi, and they have fancy tails, right? It's like a mixed breed between goldfish and koi. I don't want to quote improperly, but I think they have whiskers. I'm not 100% sure, but I know that they look like the larger size of a goldfish, right? So yeah, but the whole idea of getting them to actually come together, that's gonna be the difficult part. What you would have to do, you'd have to do hand breeding. That means you'd have to squeeze out the egg in a container and then squeeze out the mint on top of the egg, shake it up, and just keep something in it to vibrate the water as soon as they start to hatch. Right, you put them in a larger container and have it being shaken about until they free flowing, and then you put them into a larger container. So it's a step-by-step process. You'd have to do it using you would have to do it carefully, thinking about it, remembering, because listen, the it has to be like, I don't know, the water have to be, should not be stay should not stay still, as far as the goldfish and the minty thing is, like cool. I think so, but yeah, I think so. But I think that was just coincidence, because I know it's like a lady walk into a room and she's looking a particular way. All the men there are horny, whether they are black, white, Indian, Chinese, fat, slim, short, or tall, right? So therefore, when the goldfishes actually have that all of that eggs inside her, it's like a hormone within the male kind of kick off. So it's like a chasing start. So I am not 100% sure if the koi actually chased the goldfish, the female goldfish. But what I have read is that for this to be done, and to be done properly, the hand breeding is more appropriate, right? So I have a fish right now. It's very dark in color, and it's very, I don't know, it's just different. And to me, that fish is a mixture between my koi and my goldfish, right? It has the whiskers, but some aspect of it looks like a goldfish. I did it and it didn't work. And the reason why it didn't work is because, at least the reason I think it didn't work, is because I might have taken up the goldfish with the egg too soon. That means the eggs are in the goldfish, but it was not ready to be extracted. I should have waited. How do you know that the egg is actually ready? Whenever the egg is ready, the fish, like whenever the fish move against something, you see like a one egg pop out. That means it is right there, it's ready, right? So I was like forcing it too much. I think I have a video on that, but nothing came. Everything actually spoiled, right? And then it was aerated. The water was aerated. Methane blue was in it, but all of them just spoiled. So what I normally do, I use a technique in which I showed already in a video, identifying the male and the female goldfish, actually get the water clean, and then I will have them in the water, well fed, because if I don't feed the goldfish and the koi, whichever two I am actually putting to actually, spawn, when as soon as the egg comes out, they will consume the egg. But if they are full, it will take a while before them actually turn around and start to eat the egg. Okay, I will, but telling the truth, to catch that fish, I would have to let out all 250 gallon water, because I tell you, say, the fish fast. The fish remind me of a filament barb. It's fast. And it's black. And you know that the side of my pond is black. So therefore, it's not that easy to actually dip up and take up. Right? But I will do that. I will do that. What I might do is to actually do 100% water change. Take that picture, take a little couple seconds, and then not really lazy, but enough work, man. Alright, right now I know that I have about 70 odd small Jack Dempsey, baby Jack Dempsey. I'm not talking about the juveniles in which I showed last week. I'm talking about 75, about 1 inch Jack Dempsey in my Jack Dempsey pond. I know my Jack Dempseys are about this size, about 5 inches, between 5 and 6 inches, right? And trust me, to get those baby Jack Dempsey, you know what I would have to do for them? I would have to empty the entire container of water, remove the adults, put them into a container and sift through all the mess, because what they do along with the chromites, right? The chromites and the Jack Dempsey, I don't know if it's a thing with cichlids, but once there is any soft thing on the base of the aquarium or pond, they will just sit down, lie down flat as if they're in the dirt itself. So I'm gonna have to go through all of that and sift through and pick them up one by one and put in a container. And then when I'm finished now, I will have to full up, and then now I will put them somewhere. So it's an audience task. It's I'm hearing you, you know. I'm hearing you. But from what I was thinking about today with regard to you ran across my mind with regards to um a challenge, right? A challenge. Probably this might take a black Jack Dempsey is gonna beat up the Akara. The Jack Dempsey, to me, the Jack Dempsey will beat up the Akara, because size for size, Jack Dempsey is even more aggressive than the Oscar, right? Um, and this is not something that I've read or somebody have experienced and tell me. This is something that I have actually experienced. All right, let me share this with you. I'm coming back to the challenge form. Let me share this with you, form. So I had about three Jack Dempsey, and I placed three Jack Dempsey, and the Jack Dempseys were like big, right? And the Oscar was like big, right? So everybody same size. And what happened is that within about a week or two, all three Oscar died. Came home every night and see actually one died, because the Jack Dempsey dealt with them. And you all know Jack Dempseys are tough and always looking. Okay, I was thinking about that challenge, Funk. Challenge regarding how fast you can breed an angel fish. Alright, start from scratch, set up the tank, set up the plants, get the fish at the pet shop, and we wait to see how long that will happen. And you give me a challenge with a fish, and I do that also. So you can tell me what you think. Whether it be Oscar, Jack Dempsey, cherry bobs, whatever, right? And whosoever actually breed that fish, well, that kind of sounds funny, right? But whosoever get that fish to spawn the first, that person will be the winner. I was thinking about it today. But since you are aqua fun slash angel, you specialize in angel, I was saying that probably your challenge would be more. No, I don't want no swordtail and no molly and no guppy. I want something that spawns. Let me goldfish, koi, something that spawned, right? But as far as the Akara is concerned, the Akara, size for size, it can manage itself. But and both of them kind of the Akara and the Jack Dempsey, they're slow growers. They are not as big as they are not as quick growing as the Oscar fish. You will like the flow with me. Well, it's a challenge, brother. It's a challenge. So what you say, we're on. So I will practically show you. I'm going to the pet shop. I'm getting the two fish, right? So you go to the pet shop, you get your two fish, right? And then I will do my setup. You will do your setup, and then we sit and we watch and we record step by step. And the first person to get that spawn, I'm not talking about just get the eggs, I'm talking about get them free flow, free swimming. That person would be the winner. Think about it before you damage yourself, right? That them says, uh, in a way that will be true. In a way that will be true, Aqua. But here what now? Here what? Jack Dempsey usually territorial. So if if you have, let's say, a pair of Jack Dempsey in an aquarium, and you get and the pair of Jack Dempsey have been in the aquarium for, and I did a video on that since there, and the pair of Jack Dempsey is in the aquarium for, let's say, 2 months, and you decide that you're gonna get some Akara, and you're at the same size as the Jack Dempsey, right? When those Akara or those Oscar actually goes in the aquarium, right, you're gonna find that there's gonna be a problem because it's like as if the Jack Dempsey say you're coming in my space, right? But pick a fish. Ah, Alright, pick a fish. Pick a fish, pick a fish. Alright, I get back to you on that one. I get back to you on that one because you know what you're sending me to do now? You're sending me to look into my pond. You send me to look in my pond to get a male and a female Jack Dempsey. I'm gonna be doing it. I'm gonna be doing it. Hey, next fish room. Nice to see you, brother. Yeah, man, Jacks are nice, especially when they get big and the color. You know that they have about 4 colors on them, right? Yeah, them have the outstanding black color. Then them have something like gray. But I'm not talking about those 2 colors. I mean, like they have yellow, blue, red. It's amazing color. Hi, Nick's Fish Room. Nice to see you. Right, where are you from? So, Funk, I say you're in the challenge, but you would have to record yourself purchasing the fish. Okay, nice to see you, brother. Nice to see you. We live, we love, we learn. All right, cool. So, witness, I have 4 persons watching. Right, from is one. So I have 3 witnesses. Island to island. Yes, brother. Island to island. You don't know, so it's said. Right. So from I let you know in the course of the week which fish I choose. Whether it be Oscar or whether it be Oscar, whether it be Angels, myself. Yeah. It would be amazing if I have a pair of angels and you have a pair of angels and we set up to see who can breed them the best. But I've never bred angels before, so I'm not going to take that risk and let you gloat in your success. All right. So, no Oscars. But you see, I never bred Oscars before. Right? I never bred Oscars before. I'm gonna be honest with that. I've never bred Oscars before. I've bred filament bob, I've bred manganos, but it was in a community tank and the rest of fish ate them. Uh, white white Central American cichlids, I've bred those, I've bred goldfish, I've bred koi. Uh, I think about it and I let you know, but that's a challenge, right? And probably even Rob can come into the challenge, and probably he can be the judge, right? He's a fair guy. He's Mr. Smooth. That's my name for him. He's Mr. Smooth. All right. So in regards to my experience this week, okay, all right, okay. Let's do a fish that we have not yet bred before. Okay. Name some fish, and I tell you if they are available in Jamaica, and then know or discuss. Well, next fish room. Discuss is an amazing fish, an expensive fish, and a fish that I can't afford. The other day, sorry to cut aqua. The other day, I went to my regular pet store and I saw a gentleman. He had 2 arowana. They are probably about 6 inches in length, right? And I asked him how much is it for one, and he said that's yeah, expensive, Nick. The arowana, and usually the arowana is more cheaper than the discus, right? Well, as far as I know, I don't know if where you are from, it might be a reverse. But I asked him, and this is in Jamaican dollars. Today, the Jamaican exchange rate, that means what you would pay for a US dollar, it is $126 and some cents for $1 US. So when he said $15,000 for one of the arowana, I just smiled and walked away. So he paid $30,000 for 2 arowana, right? In America, you use American dollars, so that would be probably a little less, probably about 100 and something dollars, right? All right. Jewels. Jewels. Oh, jewels fish hook again. No, I don't remember. Oh well, discuss. I'm coming back to you from discuss is expensive, and the best way to deal with discuss is to research on it. So it's like you have the tank, you have the setup, and then you get the fish. Do not get the fish and then you do the setup. You lose your money. Yeah, discuss is the same as, but the thing about it is that you have to get the discuss that is that's breedable, because you have some discuss that, trust me, difficult to sex them, and is that they are just not really into you, right? uh yeah, man, work on the setup next fish room, and you find out when you work on the setup. And this is the thing with a lot of fish keepers, right? They tend to get the fish, put them in a, well, in Jamaica that is, I don't know where you're at, but in Jamaica they tend to get the fish, get excited about keeping fish, get a bucket, put the fish in it, and then they go out and shop for fish tanks. Well, I advise the other way around. No, discuss, brother. No, I can't afford that. I can't afford that. All right. Funk. I'm trying to figure out which fish to give you competition to breed. Yeah, impatient. Okay. All right, Funk. I'm trying to figure out which fish to give you to breed. Hmm. Uh, which fish you interested from? No, Rams. I can't afford Rams. Rams is 2.5 or one, and you have to custom order. That means I'm gonna get it until probably about next 8 weeks, right? Probably. Let me see. You want to try Tiger Barbs? So you try Tiger Barbs, and I try Black Skirt Tetra. Now we start with the little fish first. You can think about it. So we have two fish that probably the same size, same aggression level, same kind of species, yeah, Tetra Barb, but kind of cousins. See how that one works out, right? If you take the Tetra, I take the Barb. If you take the Barb, I take the Tetra, and we have 1 month to actually breed it. So there's a time frame. It's not like forever. Same fish. Oh, that's cool. All right. You want to try a small fish, then you want to try tiger barbs for the big barbs. Although you say try a fish that you have not bred before, right? I've bred tiger barbs, fillet barbs. Uh, I've never bred cherry barbs before. Okay. You want to try cherry barbs? Let me know. Yeah, that means you're gonna have to purchase the right fish, the right size, the right condition, set up all of that. You let me know what you think. All right. But I'm just saying. I've never bred them before. So if you do cherry bars and I do cherry bars, at least I be doing something I never do before. You be doing something I never do before. Alright, I can't say pleco because it's really impossible. I would have to get probably about 12 or 15 pleco, throw in one container, and sit on my way probably the next 6 months before I see spawn. Alright? Okay. Um guys out there watching, 6 persons watching, myself and Aquafunk is actually competing against each other. We are going to compete to see which of us can actually breed a specific species of fish, a fish that we have never bred before. To see, we're going to show you from the purchase it to the setup to the whole breeding, and the eggs, and it's not just for the eggs to actually hatch. It's for the fries to actually be curry cats. That would be good. Oh, might have a problem though. I have curry cats, and curry cats are not that easy to get. So me going to the pet shop, unless you would bypass that rule to say that, okay, since I have curry cats, you get your curry cats, I have my curry cats. I do my setup with my curry cats. You do your setup, and we sit and we do our thing, right? But that's what I'm looking at. Curry cats are not that easy to get in Jamaica. That's along with the ram, along with the arowana and discuss. Those fish your custom order because they are, you know, well the curry cats are not that expensive. It's about 600 Jamaican dollars fee. It work out to be probably about 5, 6, 7 US dollars for one. Yeah man, I have. I only I purchased three, and coincidentally, I had one female and two male, and they bred and they ate the fries when the fries hatched. I never knew that they would have done that, because the fries were there swimming up and down, and the fries were swimming up and down, and I said, okay, they are free swimming, so I put back the adults in there and hold to see within a couple of minutes. That's why I never had my camera, right? I just saw what the adults just held down onto one of the babies and just nip and saw him all down, right? $10 for a curry cat. Okay. Uh I know next fish room. We have been thinking about it. Alright. A fish that we have never bred before. I've never bred Oscar. Want to try that one? uh, all right. Let's talk seriously though. Let's talk seriously. Fun, come up with a fish now. All right. Let's see. I have. Ah, ah. I've never bred these before. How about Menganos? Menganos or Demansoni? Next fish room. Accidentally. Like what fish have you ever bred? Next fish room. What Menganos funk? Or blue lab or yellow lab or peacock. Alright, how about peacock? Any peacock at all. I'd get some yellow ones. And you might have the edge over me with this one because I'm not too sure how to sex them. I'm gonna have to do some reading as to how to sex peacocks. I'm not talking about the Lake Malawi peacocks. I'm talking about the ones that are yellow, the yellow peacocks. Thingy, the aggressive one. Yellow. Which one you never seen before? Mengano, you'd have to have at least one male to about three females. So the males are dark in color and the females are very light in color. And they likes a lot of caves. Well, next fish room, if they're breeding, if you see eggs, as soon as they put the eggs on the glass, you need to take them out. Take out the curry catfish out of that aquarium and put them into a different aquarium. They're gonna eat the eggs. They're gonna eat the eggs. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice to see them. They put about probably about 50 eggs on the glass. Usually about half of mine spoil. And then you might end up they be swimming around for a bit and then they just disappear. I don't know how they disappear, they disintegrate in the water. End up with about 15 the last time. I sold a couple. Yeah, but they will eat the eggs. If you don't want to fish, you don't have to move them. But if you want them, you can move them. And at $10 a pop, you can sell them to the nearest pet shop and get a change. So if you sell 10, you'll end up with 100 Canadian dollars. They will still eat the egg. Curry catfish are nocturnal. That means that they have a special sense in the night, in the dark, to sense food. But it's your choice. From coming back to the competition between myself and you. Oh, Congo Tetra. I am not sure. Alright, here what from Franklin Aquatics. Hey, what's up, brother? Here what from? Can we just choose anything out of the Tetra bar? Tetra line? I'm gonna have to check with my pet shops. I don't want to say yes and then my pet shops don't have it. And then you say that I'm scared. Right? So let's try. Okay, alright, folks. Here the thing, folks. What we're gonna do to start us off, a very, very easy task. You have 2 weeks. Get guppy. That sounds like it's too easy, right? You get a guppy, I get a guppy. I get it from the pet shop, you get it from the pet shop. Then who wins that? We move on to the next level. So each level is a more difficult level, and then now we'll reach to decision as to which of those big monster fish that we'll breed next. And we move it along the way, and we and the winner actually get the other person's channel to run for a day. That means you can put anything on the channel, right? And it will not be taken down. Sure. Next fishing. They say it's easy for you to sleep in when I say, boy, you win. All right, next fish room. Nice to see you, brother. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. All right. Choose another fish then, brother. It's kind of difficult because we're doing this thing live, so it's like not like we think about it before. And for those persons who might be watching the tape thing, this is not something that both myself and Akofunk have actually spoken of. It's the first time he's hearing about it. I just think about it a while ago. Say, hey, we are friends, so why not just do something amongst ourselves that kind of build up a momentum to move on. All right. Nick, fish room. I'll be coming to your channel later. I think I subscribed to you. I hope that you have left a subscribe at my channel. And we'll talk, all right? I hit you up as soon as this live chat has ended. All right. So, Funk, all right, you want to go into Tetras then, right? Let's forget about, well, just go into Tetras, right? I want to go into, yeah, Tetras, right? I say I have black skirt Tetra. I said black skirt Tetra, Funk. So you get some blacks, you get Tetra, any Tetra, and I get a Tetra. And so when would we start this? Would we start this a Tetra, right? Okay. Alright. So we start this not Monday coming, the other Monday. Right? So the other Monday now, I put out a video showing you myself going to the pet shop. A matter of fact, I have to show you the setup for the fish first, and then I will show you going to the pet shop, and then I'll show you putting the fish into the setup, and then we have the mustering as usual, and we sit and we wait. Okay, brother. Oh, I said first of the year. I'm moving to a larger house in 2 weeks. Okay, I can get whatever. Okay, so when you think should we? Hi Swinsky, nice to see you, brother. All right. I'm wondering, Funk, if you should make this competition a little bit more exciting by involving other persons. What do you think? And the winner gets to most of the other person on his or her channel. He has to put up the video in which that person actually make to go on his channel. Okay, so this is a call out to anybody who are actually watching, right? It's a challenge. We're doing fish breeding competition, right? It should be a fish that you have never bred before, really, depending on your honesty. So therefore, if you are in Jack Dempsey, that means you could not breed any Jack Dempsey. You have in goldfish, you could not breed any goldfish. It's supposed to be a fish that you never bred before, right? You're supposed to show the setup. A matter of fact, you're supposed to communicate with Funk or myself regarding this competition, and the winner will get to gloat on the loser's channel. So if there's 10 persons, you're gonna make a video and you're going to gloat and promote yourself on our channel for one for well, my funk and I would have to decide for how long, whether it be a day or whatever, right? Hey, Funk, they try to hit me. So they try to hit me by unsubscribe. And it's like a multiplying effect. As soon as them start unsubscribe, they start get back sub. So it's like increase. But sorry go brother. Sorry go brother. No man, nothing like that. Nothing like no politics, no discussion. My series Let's Talk is not done. I have more to release, but that is on a hold for now because of the politics behind it. But I have more videos. I have about 4 or 5 more videos in it, right? So we get that aspect. That is like politics, right? Now this is just about the fun keeping of fish keeping. We're not talking about that, right? So so the winner. No, you can decide as to what the winner will do. But the winner is actually what my idea of it all is that if we as a band or a family can do something that makes us feel good within ourselves and at the same time promote the habit, it should bring this level of camaraderie amongst ourselves where persons are able to accept certain things without any malice or whatever. Right, but yeah, no man, nothing to do with that. It's all about oh, so for the next 2 weeks, this is me putting out a video about fish keeping. Some people persons have been saying that um that I must make video regards to fish keeping. I think that I've made uh videos, tons of videos regarding my experience in fish keeping, more than several persons. But as it says, it's all about the politics behind it as to how you put forward your thing. But everything is a growing process. I remember the days funk where I usually get within a month. I usually get like probably about 50 views. Right now, within a week, I'm getting like 1,000 views. Right. I have so much video that I'm not even. It's kind of difficult to actually respond to some of the persons who are actually commenting, right? But coming back to our little thing, so you can hit up Funk. I'll put his email address in the description below with regard to our little competition. Probably we might think of a different gift with regards to the winner, but we're looking at the whole idea of Funk actually. Hey, brother. Nice to see you. And we are back. Yes, yes. So, Ra, Mr. Smooth, I have been challenging Funk to breed a fish that he have never bred before. Right? So, Angel is out the window. Um, what I call it? Live bearers is out the window. A fish that we have never. All right, Mr. Smooth. All right, Mr. Smooth. Cool, cool. All right, cool, cool, cool. I like that. All right, so Rob, this is the thing that we choose a fish that we have never bred before, and we do clippings, no more than 3 minutes clippings. Probably we can probably communicate via email as to the time frame, right? This is just the hey brother, nice to see you. Um, SP Fishing. I've subscribed to you about probably about 4 or 5 weeks now, but I guess other persons will see it, right? I'm subscribed to you and I've been watching some of your vids, right? What we get going now. Okay, so Mr. Smooth, we're looking at the whole idea of getting persons to go in the habit of breeding their fish. So we want them to take chances and actually go out, select a fish that they never select before, they never have before, right? And actually breed it. And the aim of the game, Rob, is to actually breed which one of us will breed the fish the quickest. Myself and Funk was thinking about um the same species, but it's kind of difficult um because some fish available to you guys not available to me, alright, and some fish available to you and available to me, I've actually bred them before, right? So I don't know the type of fish that we're going to be choosing, but we can get back to that at a later date. Yeah, man. Yes, brother. Cool, cool. ASP fishing. I'm up to you already, man. Cool, cool, cool. All right. So, Rob, what's your take on it? Yeah, next one, we're playing some music. Probably might say that I have a copyright thing, but that's how it is. All right. So, Rob, same time. Okay. All right. Go ahead. I'm listening. Uh, okay. 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 Funky's suggesting Congo Tetra. Congo Tetra. And this is open to anybody who wishes to actually be a part of it. And the the price or what you get, that's not really we have to sit down as a group and probably think about it myself, Rob and Funk. And then we'll get back to the whole persons who plan. So probably myself and Funk and Rob alone is the only person who actually enter, but we we'll tell you what. But if it's myself, Funk and Rap, I can tell you what I would propose as as the gift, right? But if there's anybody else, we'll have to talk about that seriously. I yes, we can. I can get tetras. I can get tetras, but I am not sure about the Congo tetra. Right? Okay, black skirt. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Black skirt. I work with that one. I work with that one. Black skirt tetra. All right. Now we need a date. It is going to actually start. No, Rob. The thing is, um, we should not have the fish in our position now. Rob, I'm innocent. Innocent, brother. I'm innocent, brother. But I say, me like it because me know it's available. That's why I say that. No, Rob. I'm gonna show you the video with me going and picking up the fish. The video with me setting up, the video with me picking up the fish, the video with me putting them to breed, and then we're gonna sit down and wait. And we're gonna do that same time. So it's not like one person will be out more than the other. It's not like one person show this week or one person show tomorrow or one person show the next day. We show at the same time, publish the same time. Hey, Rob, that that kind of sound away still doing, brother. Does that mean that kind of sound away when they say that? They say, I have too much breathing going on over here. Yeah, he's an angler. He can go see. Sorry, Potter does a chip in here and there and everywhere, right? Oh, I want to get some pleco next year. Next year, them time I look at the pan and ask them what happened. Alright, we're going to pencil it out, Fung. I'll WhatsApp you and all that. But if there's anybody watching that find this interesting, we give you the details. Funk might probably give you the details on his channel. I'll give you a detail on my channel. In the course of the week after we discuss it, and we see how it goes from there. Right? I know that there's a and not going to say anything. Anyway, so what's on you guys' mind? Hey, Mr. Angler, what's up, brother? Nice to see you dropping in, brother. Franklin, you get a sub. Alright, cool. Cool. Alright, cool SP fishing. Alright, so what's up? Any questions? How was the week? Mine was really hectic. Went to the river, did some videos, got some bashing, still surviving. Hey guys, there's this channel by the name of Idiot of the Day. It's a very awesome channel. We talk about every single little thing. You should check it out. It's really good. And you meet a lot of people from all walks of life there. I mean, like, especially that guy does live stream. Um that like guy do like live stream very regularly. Like you know, like 2 or 3 times for the day. And you meet a lot of persons and he's good. Him talk and persons will share the issues. Uh, I was thinking about actually putting a stock tank, a stock probably about 3 heights outside, and then I would put boards at the side so as to prevent the algae issue and something at the front, like something like help to decrease the amount of sunlight that actually go into the aquarium. But I realized that it's gonna end up giving me too much work. And right now, idiot of the day. Aquafong, the channel is idiot of the day. Right? It's a nice channel. I like it. Right, and that guy just sit down and just talk. Just talk and just talk about all different walks of life, different things. You check it out. And he's mostly on live. I don't know if he published any. I don't know if he has actually published any actual video, but he is always live. Just like Pleco Whisper. Pleco Whisper coming like a radio. Right? Anytime in their work or wherever Pleco Whisper is on talking about something. Right? Alright. So this week was really an awesome week, guys. So I went by the river, right? And my son was there holding the camera. And suddenly he was telling me, relating to me what happened. He saw something with a black tail actually just slipped in the grass. I went into the river, right? Yeah, it was a crab, right? And you know that it was very difficult to get him to go back around that side because crab really have a big smile, right? So in Jamaica, yeah, going to the river is awesome. Seeing the fish is really awesome, and that's one of the complexity in fish keeping. If you want to catch wild fish, right? I did a video the other day with regards to some fish. I did not know what the name. I did not know the name of the fish. I think I think New York Gold said that it looks like common goby, right? And I saw several of them. Some of them were really big, right? But I guess it's different species of fish there. All right, from respect, brother. All right. So when I look at it, I realize that wild fish tend to be where either you're gonna be eaten or they're like hiding whenever humans come there. It's not that easy for you to be in Jamaica. For example, if you go to Castleton Gardens in Jamaica, right? And you say you're going to catch some wild fish, or you're going to look at some wild fish. Fish are there, you know. No fish in the water, Castleton Gardens. But you're not going to see them that easy. Only way you can see them is if you bury your camera in the sand in such a way that it turn out particular way and just move away from there for a very long time. That's the only way you're going to see the fish, right? Because the fish are so fast, zoops, right? And probably you have seen the video where in which I was at the river, right? So I've been to about 3 rivers during the past 2 weeks, right? 3 rivers. Green River, South River, another river, Cayman Spark River, right? I've not finished yet with that, but you'll see it in subsequent videos. No, I'm not drinking, brother. I'm not drink, man. I drink juice. Juice. Don't be around here. Hey, coming back to my argument before. Let's give me a bit. Rob, have you ever watched the channel Party Source? Party Source, anyway, it's something similar to the channel that you usually watch with regards to beer, right? Party Source, but the fun set of guys, right? I think it's Party Source. Yeah, Party Source, a blue and yellow thingy. It's cool. All right, so with regards to wild fish in Jamaica, as soon as you go to the river, they hide either in the vegetation, in the rocks, or in the sand. Right, so it's really hard for you to actually catch. Oh, yeah, they're cool guy, you know, yeah, nice guy, right? So for those persons watching my live stream, if you are not checking if you have not checked the Party Source, check it out. And Idiot of the Day, check it out. Nice channel, right? And these channels are channels in YouTube, and know that you'll benefit from. Trust me. All right. So Rob, yeah, the river system in Jamaica kind of different, you know. You go to the river. There are some awesome fish in the river, right? Some of them look like cichlids. Some of them look like Jack Dempsey. Um, but they're more likely Centaurus cichlid, the one with the big head but the small mouth, right? Some of them look like fire mouth. Some of them even have a little color on them, but it's a little bit difficult for you to catch them because they are, as I said in the video today, they are very difficult to catch because it's as if they are practicing to get away from the predators. Now, on one of the videos in which I did, I think at the river, I never saw the fish. You know, there's this fish probably about 3 or 4 inches in length. It is when I was actually watching it online that I actually saw it. That's why you have to prepare for your fish, Rob. Prepare for the fish, man. But more advise to forget any hops though. Cause hops get big, I think. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Wild fish is nice, but getting wild fish. I have a pond around the back with some. I got probably about 15, and right now the amount I have it's crazy. And they breed a lot, right? It breed a lot. So and they're very aggressive. So if although I have them for nearly about a year now, right? If I do take at least one and put into a pond with another set of fish, they're gonna beat my fish to death because it happens to me already, right? And they're very aggressive, even to their own, right? All right. So Funk have disappeared. Rob, I'm leaving out now. Awesome to have you guys on the chat. Appreciate it. Oh, by the way, it says Q&A, and I've been talking a very long time. For the next 5 minutes leading up to the hour, shoot your questions regarding fish keeping in Jamaica. Anyone? No questions? No question. I just bye. I'm not drinking, brother. I don't drink, I don't smoke, and I don't eat meat. Oh, no question. All right, brother. With much love and respect to you all. I, as Funko said, love your family, love your fish, and love. Remember, we just put it my way. We love, we build, we share. All right, kind of said fast, kind of slower than him. All right, so respect to you all. Thank you for joining my live stream. I appreciate it. I'll tell you about the competition in the course of the week. Blessings to all. Bye bye for now. Yeah, myself, I'm going into the backyard to do some work on my Oscar pond and my other ponds. Right? Cool. Nice to have you. Bye bye. Peace. No politics this week. Strictly river issue. So I plan to do a video tomorrow that have been put off for the time being. No politics. We just go straight on to fish keeping. Peace, y'all. Bye bye. See you next week. Live. Same time, same place. Right here.